Hey guys, what's up? Today I am going to be showing you something I got for my birthday, early birthday. It's on the 26th of January, 4 days from now. I have some extra activators that gives you anything and a little measuring cup. So with the activator and the measuring cup, I made this. It was a present. The kit was a present. I made it. It was a kit though. This is the best sputter slime I've ever had. That's this is one that came with a kit too, but it didn't come with a container, so I had to buy one from Michael. JK. It did come with it. And it came with all those sparkles too. I just added them in and it's so nice. It's the best slime I've ever had. It's kind of hard to close because when you add, the ingredients, kind of just grows the slime. It's amazing. Anyways, bye guys.